Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Number 15 seed Camperdown High from St. Andrew up against number 50 seed Vere Technical High from Clarendon. This is the 50th anniversary season of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Camperdown High is represented by Jemarie Clark, Ashanti Nelson, Michael Wong, and Captain Audley Belinfanti. While Vere Technical is represented by Captain O'Shane Sawyers, Jody Ann Stevens, Raheem James, and Musa Stewart. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 20th match in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered this challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. Will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Vere Technical High won, and they decided to go first. And so we begin with Vere Technical High. Now this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Vere, we begin with history. Name the process by which the British colonies were united into one dominion in Canada in 1867.
Conglomeration.
Incorrect. Canadian Confederation. History for Camperdown. The Federation of Rhodesia and Nyasaland was a federal semi-dominion that began in 1953. In what year did it end?
1978.
Incorrect. 1963. International affairs for Vere. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Kolinda Grabar Kitarovich.
Correct. International affairs for Camperdown. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Eugene Hallyday.
Incorrect. George Weah. Physics for Vere Technical. Door handles and crowbars are examples of which type of simple machines?
Lever.
Correct. Physics. Camperdown. What is the name of a triangular-shaped tool that can be used to separate two objects or portions of an object?
Wedge.
Correct. Music for Vere. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Really and truly, take good care of me.
Got somebody.
Incorrect. No letting go. Music for Camperdown. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Agent Sasco.
Agent Sasco.
Correct. Spanish for Vere Technical. Give an English proverb equivalent in meaning to quien paga elige.
One swallow does not make a summer.
Incorrect. He who pays the piper calls the tune. Camperdown, Spanish. Give an English equivalent expression for si me golpeas en el ojo, moriré.
Hit the nail on the head.
Hit the nail on the head.
Incorrect. If you hit me in the eye, I will die. Vere Technical Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Orlando Bloom.
Correct. Camperdown Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Correct. Literature for Vere. The 2017 novel Mad Woman was written by which Jamaican-American author?
Lorna Goodison.
Incorrect. Shara McCallum. And literature for Camperdown. The novel Infidelities was written by which Caribbean author?
Claude McKay.
Claude McKay.
Incorrect. Sonia Farmer.
Next.
Jamaican heritage. Vere Technical, what is another name for Guaycom Officionale or Guayacom Officionale in Jamaica?
Lignum vitae. Lignum vitae.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage Camperdown, what is another name for the Hibiscus elatus in Jamaica?
Blue Maho.
Correct. Sports for Vere, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Andel Murray.
Incorrect. Stan Warinka. Sports for Camperdown, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Go on.
Andy Murray.
Andy Murray.
Incorrect. Andy Roddick. Bible knowledge for Vere. In which book of the Bible is the verse, yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil?
Psalms.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Camperdown. In which psalm is the verse, let everything that hath breath praise the Lord?
57.
Incorrect. 150. Biology for Vere Technical. What is the name of the inner layer of cells in the cortex of a root and of some stems surrounding a vascular bundle?
Parenchyma.
Incorrect. The endodermis. Biology for Camperdown. What is the name of the main growth layer in the stems and roots of many plants?
Meristem.
Meristem.
Incorrect. Cambium. English language. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores at this time, Vere Technical high on 5 points and Camperdown high on 4 points. It's time now for the Digicel viewer's question. Our viewer's question comes from the category sports, and the question is, who defeated Serena Williams in the 2019 Australian Open? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 50 returns right after these messages.